Have you noticed our weather is getting hotter, but also colder, drier, but also wetter, all at the same time? Weather extremes have caused enormous destruction around the world in recent years. Nations across the world have committed to the 1.5 degree limit, and continuing the multinational efforts are key to global decarbonization. China has pledged to peak carbon emissions by 2030 and be carbon neutral by 2060. Hong Kong's carbon emissions already peaked in 2014 and targets to reduce carbon emissions by 50% before 2035. Yet, science tells us we are moving too slowly. We need to catch up on lost time. What should we do? Beyond climate mitigation, we must adapt to climate change to protect people and our resources. Hong Kong, too, needs to plan for both mitigation and adaptation. This year, HKUST's Climate Adaptation and Resilience Conference, CARE 2022, will take place right after COP27. Government, industry, business, academia, community leaders, and young people will gather, discuss, and plan action on climate adaptation and resilience. The conference will cover, firstly, Hong Kong's adaptation planning and initiatives. Secondly, the nexus between climate mitigation and adaptation. Thirdly, climate risks and emergencies. And finally, the finance and talents needed to support zero carbon transition. Join us at CARE 2022 and participate in the discussions that we all care.